Okay, so this is our last set of tissues that we're going to be studying. It's muscle tissue and nerve tissue. Okay, so nervous tissue is just like what it sounds like. It's made up of the nerves. So you've got neurons, which are these long cellular processes, and also the support cells. And what they do is they transmit electrical signals from your brain and your spinal cord and through all the nerves in your body and help control the functioning of your body. Okay, so what you're looking for when you're looking at these slides is your central cell body, and then it's going to have these branches coming off of it. So they tend to look kind of like a triangle, and then with these kind of spindly fibers coming off of them, but that's actually the axons and the dendrites. Okay, skeletal muscle. This is attached to skeletal, attached to your bones, and they're really long and they're multinucleated, which means there's more than one nucleus inside each cell. And it's important because it controls voluntary movement. So this is movement that you can control. Okay, so here is a picture of skeletal muscles. So you can see when we call striated, so you can see when you're looking at this, you see all these kind of pink and white stripes that go across it. So it's kind of these little vertical stripes here. So, and it's multinucleated, so each cell here has more than one nucleus. So you can see those dark nucleus throughout, and there's more than one there. Okay, so remember how this looks, because when we look at cardiac, we're going to compare the two. Cardiac muscle is muscle that is only found in the walls of the heart, and it is specialized in order to propel blood around your body. One of the things that makes it unique is that it's branched, so the cells are not in one long line. It's also striated, like the skeletal muscle was, and it's uninucleated, which means it only has one nucleus. And they also have what are called intercalated discs, and this helps link all the cells together so that they're all beating and contracting together. Okay, so here's a picture. So you can see it has those similar striations that the cardiac cell or the skeletal muscle had. But here, these kind of dark vertical lines here and here and here, those are the intercalated discs. So it's linking all the different individual cells together so that they're all contracting as one unit. Okay, smooth muscle. This is found along in the internal organs, and it helps to create a way to push things through your body. So peristalsis, for example. So propels substances along the internal passageways. So these do not have striations, which is why they're called smooth muscle. And they're kind of these spindle-shaped cells. Okay, so you can see here, while it looks long and pink and it could easily be mistaken for skeletal muscle, you don't see those stripes like you see with skeletal muscle, and you don't see any of the intercalated discs that you see with the cardiac muscle. So it's important to kind of familiarize yourself with the differences between each one of these.